Hi, my name's Ryan, and I came here hoping to make something of myself. But it hasn't exactly gone the way I thought it would. Let me tell you what it has been like so far. While others seem to get it easily, I had to fight to keep up. I learned early that effort was all I had, prioritizing studying over everything else. But I kept telling myself, if I work hard enough, maybe I can be the first in my family to graduate and mean something. Maybe then it will finally feel worth it.
Yeah, so they were supposed to come last week.
Hey mom, hey dad, what are we having for dinner? It's okay, let's order. So what we like for dinner? Oh, can I see the menu? Oh, what you want to eat, Dad?
We have some burger, like this burger.
Okay. How about you?
I'll have the salmon pasta.
For me, yeah, I'll take this one. Yeah, I'll take this one. Okay. Yeah. That's it? That's it. Thank you very much. Okay, here's the receipt.
Okay.
It's okay, Dad. Let me pay for it this time.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I still have some spare money from last time. How much is it? This one should be enough, but can you help me count it? Yeah, thank you. I'm so sorry. Nice. Yeah, let it be. Thank you very much. So this is why I keep going. Because at the end of the day, all I can do is study. You know, sometimes I wish life would just send me something to make my life easier. Maybe then I wouldn't have to keep studying as hard as I do now. Huh, 1,000 ringgit just for one paper? I guess no one will ever know, right? It's just one time in and out. Maybe this is what I deserve, lessening the burden of my family. But what if it doesn't work out well?
Miss, you're a student, are you?
Me?
Yeah. This is not you, is it?
That is me, right?
You should go step outside now. Outside.
No, but it's not right. It's like...
No.
Maybe I was wrong. Maybe some shortcuts just take you somewhere you never wanted to go. I'm not gonna take this one. Is it really worth it?
Academic bribery and cheating aren't just unfair, they are serious criminal offences in Malaysia. Under the MACC Act 2009, Section 16 and 17A, offering or accepting bribe can lead up to 20 years imprisonment and fines of 5 times the bribe amount. Under Section 415 and 417 of the Penal Code, fraud and cheating can result up to 5 years imprisonment, fines or both. Universities can also revoke degree and expel students involved. Remember, integrity is the only grade that never expires.
When bribery enters education, everyone loses. The quality of learning drops, resources disappear, and only those who pay can get ahead. But even then, those who bribe suffer because they pass without the skills they need and later they face shame, doubt, and fewer real opportunities. Students who work hard are pushed aside and trust in the education system breaks down. In the end, corruption just doesn't harm schools, it harms communities and future workplaces. A corrupt education system cannot build a strong future.
Hello everyone, my name is Jesse. I will be sharing my opinion on bribery and the key takeaway from our discussion. In my opinion, bribery is not only illegal but also destroys fairness and trust in our society. When people use money or gifts to get special treatment, it creates an unfair environment where the honesty no longer matters. As the bribery becomes more widespread, people stop believing that hard work leads to success. Instead, they start to think that everything depends on how much you can bribe. When this happens, talented people will leave the country to seek fair opportunities, and the gap between the rich and the poor will continue to grow. This will eventually cause Malaysia's economy to decline instead of grow, and it will also damage the national reputation. In the end, I believe every result is only meaningful when it's earned through our own hands. Success that comes from bribery is not real success.
Would be that like rich people getting out of their ways to getting results or getting things that they don't deserve, and just changing the system, just cheating the system, and like it's undeserved for people who actually work hard and try to get good results and things. Yeah.
What comes in your mind?
Actually came to my mind people who actually fake their certificates, their academic results. This kind of behavior actually affects the whole planet, not only the industry. And I do believe that people must take an action for this kind of stuff.
The thing is, if they can actually get away with it, I think it's fine, because even if there's a financial struggle or not, the fact shouldn't be the financial struggle. It should be the fact that how are they actually being able to sit in the exam in the first place.
And for me, in this world and in this time, there are a lot of options. You can gain money and work. Just give time and be disciplined.
Yeah, I will feel upset and frustrated because it's unfair. Yeah, hard work should be rewarded, not money or the connections.